How to hide messages on Android without deleting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your messages application over here on your device, and as you do that, you can just make a long press on the message that you'd want to hide without deleting. So for example, if I want to just delete one of the messages, or rather hide the messages, so I'm going to make a long press on the message, and here above at the top you can see different menus. So tap on the arrow down option over here, which is the archive option. So tap on it and you can see the message has been hidden, and let's go and check if it has been deleted or not. So to do that, you can just tap on your profile at the top right and then tap on archived option over here. So here you can see the messages, it has only been hidden but not deleted. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.